Hey, if you wonder if you have an original or fake pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, we can actually quickly check this. So this one actually comes from the official Samsung website, and I'm going to show you every part of this device, charging case, earbuds, so you'll be able to find out. First of all, at the bottom, at the top, we can find this indicator, and when I'm going to click and hold the pairing button, it's actually blinking with the red, green, and blue. And it keeps blinking like this if I hold this button. So at the bottom we can find this button, the USB-C port, and some kind of the marking. This version was made in Vietnam. There's like some kind of the earbuds code and other stuff. At the back we can find another marking right here. Right here we can find the Samsung logo with the Samsung font. That's how it looks inside. The blue color for the left earbud, the orange for the right one. It also looks the same at the bottom. There is a small hole. This is actually the microphone. The same on the left one. When you open the case, the indicator turns orange if it is not fully charged for the 100%. Now let's take a look on the earbuds. So that's how they looks. The left, the right one. There's the proximity sensor on the both earbuds, and next we got the microphone. Right here we've got another microphone. There's the touch sensor. And right here we can find a right marking, the left marking, and this is it. So now please tell me in the comments if you have original version or maybe fake version, and that will be all. Right now please subscribe.